Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Okay, we're up to day 13 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Box. Okay, it is square, sort of. I think it could be a box of washi tape. Let's have a look. Ah, almost right. It is a roll of gems. What are these called? Pearl tape chantilly. So these, are they joined together? Oops, oh, I've undone the roll now. Oh no. Oh no. Do you have the problem where if you take something out of the box you can't put it back in? I have that problem. Alright, let's see if they're joined together. Nope, they are individual. Although when you take them off, I think I've taken that off and I've left the sticky bit behind. So you may need to use a glue dot or some glue to actually adhere them. They're actually really pretty. It's sort of, you know when you get like a oil slick and it has the different colours in it? It's very similar to that, but it's throwing pastel colours. I don't even know if the camera's going to do it justice, even if is it going to focus even. Can you sort of see there it's throwing off like those metallic vibes? It's very pretty. Alright, that'll go back in its box. So that was day 13. Join me tomorrow and see if I can guess what's in day 14. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.